Hello, I'm Helen Howes. A few years ago I ran into a chap called Michael Oakshott, and I have to say I've had a lot of good adventures working with his fabrics and working with him. We've been to Paris and Holland several times, and Edinburgh and Malvern Quilt Show, and all sorts of nice places. And Mike is frightfully mean to me. He will send me little packets of new fabrics and he'll say, make something, which is actually not as nasty as it sounds. I took that to the next quilt show the next weekend and we sold 90 kits, which is fantastic. And then I took it home and I quilted it, and I took it to Malvern and we sold 120 kits, which was even more marvellous. And that was some years ago. The block is called City Lights because the original one had some with very bright centres with the lights on and some with very dark centres with the lights off. This one is ruby with lakes, which are all red weave, all blue weave, and I'm afraid on this one all the lights are on. But it's still rather a nice quilt.